Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination, class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule. And also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examinations. So, students, those on new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you the third part of the topic, ratio and proportion. So yes, so objectives of today's class is we will learn what is proportion, we will learn what is continued proportion, learn properties of proportion. So do you remember what did we discussed in the last class? So yes, let's solve few problems based on the knowledge of the last class of the previous class. Give two equivalent ratios. Well, I have given you the ninja technique. Okay, the easier way to find equivalent ratios of 7 by 4, multiply by 10, multiply by 100. 70 by 4, which is 700 by 400. You can also multiply with any number 2, 3, 4, 5. But I choose to multiply with 10. Okay, Shweta has 160 apples, Rahul has 40 marbles. They want to share this among themselves. Rahul gave 20 marbles to Shweta and Shweta gave 80 apples to Rahul. Shweta considered it unfair, so she asked her mother about this. Yes. So mother explained that out of 40 marbles, Rahul gave you 20 marbles, which is half. Okay, therefore the ratio is half. And out of 160 apples, Shweta has given 80 apples to Rahul, which is 80 is to 60 is also half. Since both the ratios are same, so the distribution is somewhat fair. Let's take an example. In a supermarket, Rajesh sells 2 kgs of apple for rupees 120 and Roshan sells 4 kgs of apples for rupees 240. The ratios of weight of the apples are 1 is to 2. Ratios of their costs are 120 by 24, 12 tens are 120, 12, 220s are 240. So this is also 1 is to 2. So the ratios of weight of the apples is equal to ratios of their cost. Since both the ratios are equal, we can say that they are in proportion. They are selling the apples at same rates. Now, what is this proportion? If ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. Use the symbol four dots or equal to equate the two ratios. Okay, the symbol used is four dots or equal symbol to equate the two ratios. Proportions are equivalent. Okay, the distance of John's house from school is 1/4 of the distance between Kim's house from the school. Moon size is 1/4 the size of Earth. See this 1/4 and 1/4. Are they in proportion? Yes. This is an interesting fact. You read this. Yes. Okay. So representation of proportion. We can say 3, 10, 15 and 50 are in the proportion which is written as 3 is to 15 as, okay, 15 is to 50. This is read as 3 is to 15 as 15 is to 50. Now, are this in proportion? Let us check. Okay, 40 by 60. Okay, and 70 by 105, not 150, 105. Now check this. Okay, so this is in the ratio of 2 is to 3. What What about this? Okay, so divide by 7. 7 tens are 70, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. We also got 2 by 3 ratio. Here also we got 2 by 3. So these are in proportion, that is 40 is to 60 as 70 is to 105. We can write this. Okay, yes. Find the value of x in the proportion. Okay, so t is to x is equal to 3 is to 9. So 2 by x is equal to 3 by 9. Find x. Cross multiply. X is equal to 2 times 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. X is equal to 6. So 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 9. Find the value of x in the proportion. Okay, it's like solving linear equations and also solving problems on proportions. 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to x plus 2 by 5. Cross multiply this. Okay, what do you get? You get 5 times 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 times x plus 2. 5 twos are 10x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 4. Take unknown terms on one time, known terms on one side, variables on one side, constants on one side. So 2x transpose of plus 2x, if it comes this side, it's minus 2x. So 10x minus 2x is equal to 4x minus 5. 8x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is the answer. Find the value of x. X is minus 1 by 8. To the ratios 30 centimeter to 4 meter and 30 second to 4 minutes are in the form of proportion. Okay, let's see this. Okay, convert everything. See, convert this in centimeters. So 30 centimeter, 4 meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 400. So it is 3 by 40. And 30 seconds to 4 minute. 4 minute. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds by this. Oh, 31. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So it is 1 by 8, it is 3 by 40, which are not in proportion. Yes, these are not in proportion. Now let us learn continued proportion. Three quantities are said to be in continued proportion if the ratio between the first second is equal to the ratio between the second and third. For example, A is to B is 9 is to 14, B is to C is 14 is to 9. Then we can say A, B, C are in the continued ratio of 9 is to 14 is to 9. Okay, and A by B is to B by A by B as B is to C. A is to B as B is to C. This we can say A, B, C are in continued proportion and we can write like this. The second quantity is called as mean proportional between the first and the third one. So B is called mean proportional between A and C. Also B square is equal to AC. Okay, yes. A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A is to B as B is to C. The third quantity is called as the third proportional to the first and the second, and C is called as the third proportion to A and okay. For example, let us consider the number 16, 6 is to 12 is to 24. The ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. The ratio of second to third 12 by 24 is also 1 by 2. Okay, now we can say these are in continued proportion. So 6 by 12 is equal to 12 by 24. 6, 12, 14 are in continued proportion. 12 is called as mean of the proportional and 24 is called as third proportional. Note. Okay, so if two ratios are not equal, then we say they are not in proportion. Of course, in a statement of proportion, the fourth quantity is involved. when taken in order known as respective terms. The first and the fourth term are known as extreme terms. The second and the middle terms are known as middle terms. What is the smallest number that increased by 12 when flipped and turned upside down? Okay. What is the smallest number that increases by 12 when flipped is flipped and turned upside down? Okay, so this one is for you. Do this and tell me in the next class. Let's move on to the new topic, properties of proportion. Okay, the first property, if a by b is equal to c by d, the product of extremes, the first and last terms are known as extremes, is equal to product of the means. The second and the third term are known as means. Product of extreme a by a into d is equal to product of means. This is the first property. Second property, if a is to b as c is to d, can be written as a by b is equal to c by d. Then d is known as fourth proportion to abc. Yes, if m is the continued proportion. Okay, so find m if they are in continued proportion. Now, yes, now, using the properties, okay, there are three terms. Okay, so like it's like a b c. So the mean term, okay, the middle term square is equal to the product of first into the last. Okay, the middle term is b. So 14 square is equal to 7 into m. M is equal to 14 square is 14 into 14 by 7. 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14. So M is equal to 28. 28 is the answer. Okay, you can check. M is equal to 28. Yes. Find the mean proportion between 4 and 9. See, these are A, this is C. Find the mean proportion, which b is unknown. So b square is equal to 4 into 9. B is square root of 2 square into 3 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. B is 2 into 3. B is 6. So 6 is the mean proportion between 4 and 9. You got this? Check out the following are in continued proportion or not. Okay, so b square should be equal to a into c. That's all. Okay, or this by this should be equal to this by this. See, 0.4 by 3.6. If it is equal to 3.6 by 3.24, they are in continued proportion. Okay, so if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, so it becomes 4 by 36. Okay, 1 by 9. This is 1 by 9. 4 nines are 36. Now I need to multiply with 100. So 360 by 324. Okay, check this out. This is greater, right? This is smaller. I'll get a greater number by smaller number. Okay, let us simplify. This is not in continued proportion, by the way. Okay, so 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30, 6 4s are 24. Okay, and 3 20s are 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. 2 10s are 20, 2 9s are 18. 10 by 9. See, this is 1 by 9, this is 10 by 9. So these are not in proportion. This one 2.4 by 9.6. So I'm multiplying this. So I'll by 10. So 24 by 96. And this is 96 by 384. If they are in the same ratios, these are in proportion. Okay, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 1 by 4, just check 96 times 4. If it is 384, it is the answer. 6 4s are 24, 4 9s are 36, we get 38. So 96 ones are 96, 96 384. ये 1 by 4 है, ये भी 1 by 4 है. So these are in continued proportion. Yes. Find the fourth proportion. Yes, the fourth proportion. Let D be the fourth proportion. Okay, एक problem करते हैं. So 12 by 125 is equal to 3.5 by D. T is equal to 3.5 into 125 divided by 12. Okay, do this, you get the answer. So can we simplify this? 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it is difficult to simplify this. Okay, so let us multiply and get the answer. So 125 times 3.5. I'm going to use the trick of Vedic maths. It will save me time, guys. Okay, so first step is vertical. 3 times 1 is 3. Second step is cross multiply and add them. 1 5 is 5, 3 2 is 6. You get 11, put separator right 11. Second is again crosswise with this 4 numbers. 5 2 is 10, 3 5 is 15. So 25. And the last step we can't do crosswise again. So 5 5 are 25. The final answer is 5, 2 is carried 7, 2 is carried 3, 1 is carried 4. Decimal numbers is after 1 point, so 437.5. So this we need to divide by 12 to get the answer. 4375 by 12. 12 threes are 36. Subtract this. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 12 6 are 70. Remainder is 5. Okay. Take the next, see, put the decimal point. Since the decimal point is that, take the next number down. 12 4s are 48. Okay, so 48, 55 minus 48 is 8. 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 74. Okay, so 36.46 is the approximate answer. Find the fourth proportion. Okay, so 85 by 170 is equal to 34 by D. D is equal to 34 into 170 by 85. Okay, so 17 tens are 170, 17 fives are 85. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 34 times 2 is 68. So the proportion is 68. Yes, this is the answer. Check whether the following proportion, these are the following proportion or not. Yes, let us check. So this is 3 by 5 and this is 6 by 10. If they are equal, they are in proportion. So 3 twos are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. This is in proportion. Okay, next one, 0.25 by 0.5. 50 by 100. See, 0.25 by 0.5, I can write it as 25. Multiply by 100, divide by 100, I can write 25 by 50. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. 50 by 100, 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100. 1 by 2 is same as 1 by 2. So, these are also in proportions. Yes? Okay. Find the third proportion to 12 and 30. See, this is the first proportion, this is the second proportion, and the third proportion we need to find. Okay, we know b square is equal to a into c. So 300 into 300, sorry, 30 into 30 is 12 times c. C is equal to 30 into 30 by 12. Okay, so can I divide this? So what I can do, 30 I can write as 15 into 2. Okay, now see, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30, 15 5s are 75. The third proportion is 75. Yes. Before completing this chapter, let's play a quiz. If x, 12, 8 and 32 are in proportion, then find the value of x. Very easy. x by 12 is equal to 8 by 32. X is equal to 8 into 12 by 32. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32, 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8. So x is equal to 3. Yes, this is the right answer. If 3 12x are in continued proportion, find the value of x. This is in terms of a, b, c. B square is equal to a into c. Here b is 12. 12 times 12 is equal to 3 into c. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 12 fours are 48. C is equal to 48. Yes. If the number 3, 5, 12, x are in proportion, the value of x is 20. Okay, let us check. 3 by 5 and 12 by 20. 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Yes, it is true. Which of the following are in proportion? 2 is to 5, 40 is to 80. 2 is to 5, 40 is to 80. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. This is 2 by 4. No, this is not. This one, 3 by 4, 15 by 18. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. This is also not. Okay, 1 by 3, 11 by 22. No, this may be the right answer. Yes, indeed, it is 2 by 3, 20 by 30, 0, 0 cancel. 2 by 3 is in the ratio. Yes. The last question, if three quantities are related such that this, then B is called as the mean proportional. Yes, all the questions are right. Okay. So what did we learn today? We learned about the proportion, continued proportion, properties of proportion. That's all for today, guys. So students, those are new, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.